This type of puzzle is very likely to be asked in Zoho's first-round interview. Can you solve it? Here's the question. How much time does a train need to cross a 60-meter platform? The train is 100 meters long and moving at a speed of 36 kilometers per hour. Let's see if you can figure it out. Take 5 seconds to pause and think. Here's the solution. Step 1. Convert speed. First, convert the train's speed from 36 kilometers per hour to meters per second. Multiply 36 by 1,000 and divide by 3,600. That gives you 10 meters per second. Step 2. Calculate distance. When a train crosses a platform, the front of the train reaches the start of the platform first, and it completes the crossing only when the back of the train passes the end of the platform. Therefore, add the length of the train, 100 meters, and the length of the platform, 60 meters. The total distance to be covered is 160 meters. Step 3. Calculate time. Finally, divide the total distance by the speed to get the time. That's 160 meters divided by 10 meters per second, which equals 16 seconds. So, the train will take 16 seconds to cross the platform. Were you able to solve it? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more puzzles like this.